So right now, we are at the Boeing Everett Factory. And this is amazing. It's where all the Boeing planes are being made. Well, the 747, 75, well, 747, 767, 777, and the 787. And right now in the Boeing factory, I'm trying to fly a plane. And we are landing. And right now I'm trying to go left. I mean right, left, level. Okay, come on. Okay. And then we go up. Well, I guess this is all for now. This is the 787 Dreamliner. And the 787-8 Dreamliner. And here's the 777X. And here's the 777 Extended Range 2002. And this is GE Aviation. This is not the NX. This is a GE90. This, however, is the Gen X. This is the GE Gen 90. And here is the interior. With everything. Here's the exhaust nozzle. And this is the Rolls-Royce Trent engine. Trent 1000. And this actually moves. So I'm not going to put anything like this. So right here is the 777 nose gear. And over here is the plane. And which I think is the 777. I'm not sure, but it's a plane, alright. So I'm back from the factory. Here is the 777 long range, and it's a model 1 to 200, and it looks cool.